Sliding under the busyness of the day. Settle into a comfortable posture. Allowing yourself to sink a little deeper into relaxation. Scan your mind as a kind observer. Observing with kindness any judgments or criticisms you may be holding on to. Now gently release and let go of any negativity. Now imagine a sunset sky. Watching the warm colours of the sunset evolving in the sky. Shades of orange, pink, and gold. Let the beauty and the serenity of the sunset soothe your mind and mood. As you ease into a sense of serenity, experience yourself being enveloped in a cocoon of kindness. Embracing a mindset of kindness, take a few moments to extend this kindness to yourself. Now let these feelings of kindness expand towards all. Opening your eyes if they're closed. Take a couple of long, slow, deep breaths in and out. yourself and others as you step back out into your life. Om Shanti. Om means I am. Shanti means a being of peace. Thank you.